Hello, my friends. I wanted to showcase a few things that I thought it's just super cool. Things in kits, maybe the whole kit itself. Um, so let's start. So the first thing I found, I'm not exactly sure this was in a box of parts, but so they're normal seats, right? Well, check this out. They they literally are rubber. Now I've never seen these before. I don't have no clue what kit they're from. They kind of look like Corvette seats, but I'm not totally sure. So, if you guys know what these are from, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to know what kit they're from. The second one is another Corvette, and I just geek out over shit like this. I mean, look. Sorry, my swearing, but look at that. I freaking love it. It's got springs. That is just so awesome. I mean, imagine as a kid, you built this and you're just like going around corners and it's hitting the corners really hard. So anyway, the next thing is I know some people don't like this, but it's the Vet Van top. Personally, I love it. I think it's super cool. And but the other thing on that kit is these freaking rims. I love these rims. And I think they only came out on this kit. So the next one is check out this base. This came in, I think, one of the Corvette kits, if I remember correctly, or either that or it came in one of the drag kits. I can't quite remember, but it's totally just so you can, imagine if you put a little mirror underneath there. You can put this up on there and really show off your underbody. That'd be super cool. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this one. It's just these little boxes that they've started to come out with on a few models now. And I think if I remember, I think I saw something the other day where people are actually printing them all out and selling them online. So I just love shit like that. Sorry, stuff like that. And so it's just pretty cool. So, and last but not least, I want to point out this customizing series kit. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this box is like double the size of a normal box. Like as an example, there's a normal box. I guess you can't see that, sorry. Anyway, it's quite a bit bigger. And what it was is they actually included in the instructions, they had a whole nother sheet of instructions called the customizing series. And what it went through is it showed exactly how to put different front ends on, how to sand, how to paint, and then it shows kind of what to do. All these little tools are included with the kit. And then you have trophies and a little display board, and just super cool. I mean, look at this. Tips on building model kits. It's like a freaking book almost. It's nuts. I love it. I just think it's the neatest thing ever. I wish they'd come out with something like this again. So this one is just how to scrape, strip styrene. How to do a radical customizing. And actually, they're chopping the. Holy cow! They're actually chopping the. Now I haven't tried any of this yet. They're actually chopping the roof and chopping the body in half. So that's then swapping it. That's pretty impressive. So what came in this kit is not only the kit itself, but a lot of these little tools. So you have like a mixing tool. You can spread it, and it came with these two, which are now rock hard. Just mixing putty. I'm sure you had to mix these together. And then this thing, what you would do is you take sandpaper and you wrap it around this one, and then you put it together, and that holds it in place. And that way it gives you something flat to sand with. Obviously, all these are pretty crude, right? I mean, are you really going to use tweezers like this? Maybe. I don't know. So, anyway, What do you guys think is cool? What are some cool things that you guys have seen in kits? Maybe you have them, maybe you don't. Share with me down below, or shoot your own video and let's see it. I think it's just this stuff is just so cool to see. So, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And I am Jerry, and I'm signing off.